Have you ever wondered how dropshipping works? It's a burning question many have, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of dropshipping to break it all down for you. Imagine a world where you can sell products without ever having to stock an item, manage inventory, or even handle shipping details. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's dropshipping in a nutshell. The first step in the dropshipping process is finding a reliable supplier. Next, you list the products you want to sell on your e-commerce platform. This could be on a site like Etsy, Amazon, or even your own website. When a customer places an order through your platform, you forward that order and the customer's details to your supplier. In dropshipping, as a seller, you pay the supplier for the items once the customer has placed their order. Essentially, you're buying the product from the supplier at a wholesale price and then selling it to your customer at a retail price. The supplier then packs and ships the order directly to the customer. The difference between these two prices is your profit. Remember, revenue and profit are not the same. Revenue refers to the total amount of money generated from sales. Profit, on the other hand, is the amount left after you subtract. Found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.